Hello everyone, in this video we are going to figure out that Pentester review, right? Whether this is a scam or another legit scam. So let's do the product review here. So let me tell you what that pentester.com does. It offers cybersecurity services claiming to help businesses and individuals protect their data while identifying security vulnerabilities. However, there are several red flags that raises concern about this. And why I'm saying this, many users have reported issues such as unrealistic pricing, right, which is really less here. I don't know why. And the next thing is company credentials, fake overly positive reviews. And I just went to the trust pilot here, and you can see here the website reviews is completely different to what they are saying in this trust pilot, right? So this is a website here. As you can see here, they have the pretty big corporation as the clients, and the pricing is pretty less for the security basis, and maybe there could be a marketing strategy here. And when I just go to the contactors, they have their address and everything, right? But here in the trust pilot, let's just read some of the reviews. 63% are from 1 star here. And okay, just loaded. I created an account only to find out that it wasn't available for international users. Found three correct addresses, but all three had incorrect SSNs. Two had incorrect DOBs, and only one giving a phone number was incorrect, right? So nothing useful. You pay for nothing. And you audited with spam. Strange coincidence. Do not pay, nothing comes out of it. So if you're looking for reliable security service, it may be wise to explore others, more transparent platforms before making any commitments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.